Diretsahan tayo, Mayor,
Yes, sir.
no? For several days or in the past weeks, may na-record tayong number of cases sa COVID. Pero today, zero kayo. How's everything?
Marami tayong lessons that we have learned. Although, yung zero, ma-explain yan dahil lahat ng ating tests, isang hospital lang natin pinapadala, yung Maria Reina Xavier University.
Okay.
The last several days, lumiliit yung cases natin sa awa ng Diyos. No? Although, meron tayong problema last week. Meron talagang pwedeng matawag na outbreak. No? Isang construction company.
Dito mismo sa
Dito
center?
Dito sa sentro. Isang construction company, a big condominium project, siguro 30 stories tall.
Okay.
Under yung mga workers nila are housed in the building, siguro mga 25, 26 stories.
Okay.
Na nandun yung mga bunkers ng mga empleyado, no?
Okay.
And then late last week, nagkaroon ng first case, no? Mga siguro 3, 5, and then the following day another 5, 7. So worried na ako.
Dumadami.
We have been holding this daily press briefing.
Okay.
Since March 13 pa of last year, no? Kaya namomonitor ko every day kung yung mga cases, binabasa ko talaga yung contact tracing, etc. No?
Okay.
I gave instruction na lahat ng positive, of course, automatic yan sa temporary treatment and monitoring facility. Pero yung lahat ng mga workers na naka-house doon sa mga bunkers, pina-extract ko.
Para i-quarantine?
Para i-isolate.
Okay.
Doon sa ating city isolation unit. No?
Okay. How many are they?
Report sa akin, mga 360, thereabout, more or less.
Wow! Yun yung pina-extract nyo na 300?
Lahat yan. Oo, kasama ng positive.
How did you know that? Pinatest nyo araw-araw?
Merong schedule ng testing.
Okay.
Merong schedule. Depende yan. Kung symptomatic na, i-test na kaagad.
Okay.
Otherwise, merong schedule niyan. No? So, every day we would get the results of the test. No? And so, lahat na yun na test, 212 ang nag-positive, the rest negative. No? And then yung 212, meron nang nag-recover. But anyway, it was daunting in the beginning, pero alam mo, as the numbers of the positive cases escalated, siyempre daunting pero there was also, on the other hand, a sigh of relief.
Okay, because?
Dahil alam mo, isang lesson that I've learned from this is you have to be aggressive and yung preemptive countermeasure is important in that, kunyari, close contact. Hindi ka pa sigurado kung nawaan ba o hindi. Pero i-isolate mo na. Now, the reason for the isolation is para ma-test mo later. But there's another important reason.
Why?
Which is prevent the virus from infecting.
Correct.
In case na infected siya.
You seemed so alarmed with this in the past weeks kasi sa sentro mismo nangyari, isang company numbering up to 300 plus. Could just imagine.
212 ang positive.
But people are really watching you. What's the next step? Kasi hindi ka nag-lockdown pa din. Why is that so?
Hindi naman kailangan. Naka-isolate na eh. Naka-isolate
So no
na.
need to go on lockdown?
In fact, yung decision to bring them to the isolation unit was very, very crucial. And hinakot sila ng buses.
Ng city government?
Of course, accommodated naman. And ang sabi ko nga, Cesar, what could have happened if we did nothing, we just waited for symptoms to come up. And then in the meantime, nahinto ang trabaho because some had already tested positive. Yung naiwan, umuwi sa kanilang mga bahay-bayan. what could have happened.
Okay.
And they're living all over Cagayan de Oro.
So you're saying this is a big company. What happened to the other companies, the buildings in the vicinity?
Wala pang contact.
Did you immediately gave order for all the companies in the area to watch out and be very careful because there's
wala na. Dahil na-extract na nga natin.
Okay.
Pinadisinfect ko.
Okay. In your investigation, anong nangyari? Bakit nagkaroon doon ng ganyan klaseng problema?
Ganyan talaga, closed environment.
Okay.
And then, nasa workplace sila, no? Although naka-face mask, pero alam mo, during their breaks, etc., they don't even know each other. Kaya ang hirap ng contact tracing.
Okay.
Hindi mo ma-connect kung kanino siya nahawaan. Sino nakahawa sa kanya dahil ang ano nila, ang contact nila is masyadong intense.
Isyu One-on-One.